Hello, and welcome. Today we're going to talk about an essential topic for California employers: final paycheck rules and waiting time penalties. Understanding these requirements is crucial for staying compliant and avoiding costly penalties or legal claims. California law treats final pay differently depending on whether the employee's separation is voluntary or involuntary. Involuntary termination, such as a layoff or firing, requires immediate payment of all earned wages. Voluntary resignation with at least 72 hours notice allows the final paycheck to be delivered on the last day of work. Voluntary resignation without notice requires the final paycheck to be provided within 72 hours. The key takeaway: know the type of separation and act promptly to avoid penalties. Final pay must include all earned wages, such as regular pay and overtime, commissions or bonuses that have been earned, paid vacation or PTO, if accrued under company policy, any other owed compensation. It's important to note that sick leave payout is not required unless your policy allows it. Additionally, unauthorized deductions are prohibited, and you should always provide an itemized pay stub showing all calculations and deductions. California law imposes waiting time penalties under Labor Code Section 203 when final wages are late. The penalty is 1 day's wages for each day the payment is late, up to a maximum of 30 days. This applies whether the delay is intentional or accidental. Example: if an employee earns $200 per day and the final paycheck is delayed, the employer could face up to $6,000 in penalties for a 30-day delay. Clearly, paying final wages on time is not just a best practice, it's a legal necessity. Employers often make mistakes, such as delaying final wages, even by a single day, failing to pay accrued PTO or vacation, making unauthorized deductions, misunderstanding resignation notice requirements, failing to provide itemized pay stubs. Avoiding these mistakes is critical for protecting your business. To ensure compliance, create a written final pay policy. Clearly define timing, accrued leave payout, and calculations. Track employee separation type: resignation versus termination. Calculate all earned wages accurately. Include overtime, PTO, and commissions. Deliver final pay on time, immediate or within 72 hours. Document everything. Maintain records of pay calculations and employee acknowledgement. Using payroll software or HR systems can help automate calculations and ensure timely delivery. Commission-based employees must receive all commissions earned. Exempt employees must be paid their full salary for the final week of work unless a lawful deduction applies. Partial day terminations require immediate payment for hours worked. Remote employees may receive final pay via mail or electronic transfer if agreed upon. Failing to comply with California final pay rules can lead to wage claims or lawsuits, waiting time penalties up to 30 days' wages, investigations by the Division of Labor Standards Enforcement, damage to your business reputation, and employee trust. For small and mid-sized businesses, even small oversights can be expensive. Navigating final paycheck rules and waiting time penalties can be complex. That's where KPHR.com comes in. We provide payroll audits and compliance reviews, accurate final pay calculations, including PTO and commissions, policy creation, and employee handbook updates, guidance to avoid waiting time penalties and wage claims. Partnering with KPHR.com ensures your business remains compliant, protects employees, and avoids costly mistakes. To summarize, deliver final pay immediately for terminations or within 72 hours for resignations. Include all earned wages, PTO, and commissions. Provide itemized pay stubs and maintain proper documentation. Avoid waiting time penalties by implementing clear payroll procedures. For expert guidance and HR compliance solutions, visit kphr.com, your trusted partner in California employment law compliance. Thank you for watching, and we hope this helps you stay compliant and protect your business.